Now, Google Site is a website building platform offered by Google for anyone to create a simple website without worrying about hosting and domain costs. It's 100% free to build a website with Google Site, and it's easy even for anyone who doesn't have the technical knowledge about building websites. Most affiliate marketers who don't want to pay for hosting or domain costs use Google Site to get free traffic and to earn some commissions from it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to make money with ClickBank for free using Google Sites. Hi there, I'm Winston from TubeMechanicsNotes.com, and here is what we are going to go through in this video. We are going to start off by looking at the type of products that will make you money with ClickBank fast and for free. Then we'll look at two main effective ways of promoting your ClickBank products using the free Google Sites. And finally, how to promote your created website to start making money fast. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money with videos as an affiliate marketer on a budget, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First of all, let's head over to ClickBank and find a red hot category and product that's proven to sell on ClickBank. Now, with thousands of products to choose from on ClickBank, I can understand why sometimes it can feel overwhelming to decide which products to promote on the platform. Usually, the best products that have proven to sell on ClickBank are products that have anything to do with the health niche, wealth niche, or the relationship niche. These are the main categories that most people spend their money on, plus the fact that they offer solutions to problems that people are actually looking solutions for. Most people want to save their marriages, for example. Some want to lose weight before their wedding, and most of us want an extra $500 in a weekend. You get the point. Now, in this example, I'll be going with the health niche or category. So to find a product on the health niche, simply click on the health and fitness category on the ClickBank marketplace and then on any of these sub niches. Now, when you click on any of these sub niches or subcategories, you'll be presented with a list of products that have been categorized under that sub niche. So in this case, I'll just go with the diet and weight loss sub niche or subcategory. Now, within this subcategory, you can use the gravity filter here to show only products that have a high gravity score. Gravity score here on ClickBank is a formula that determines how hot a particular product is at any given moment. Here, you want to always aim for a high gravity score because a high gravity score means other affiliate marketers are making money with the offer and you can too. Now, here are other things to keep in mind when searching for a product here on ClickBank to promote. You want to first look if the product you are trying to promote has an affiliate page. An affiliate page is a page that the product owner has created and filled with resources that you can use to promote the product. It's always important to look if a product has an affiliate page because it will save you time and energy when it comes time to start promoting the product. The second thing that you need to keep in mind when searching for a product here on ClickBank is to always check out if the product sales page looks good and if it includes a video. Why you should be looking for videos on the sales page is simply because video sales pages convert better than text alone pages, so you want to take your time and check out the product sales page. Now, this is what you should be looking for when you're on the sales page. You want to look if the message on the sales page is compelling enough to grab your attention. Are you excited enough about the product after going through the sales page? If you are not excited enough, chances are other people will feel the same way, which means promoting such a product will hardly make you any sale. Okay, now assuming you have got a product to promote, this is where the real fun begins. Make sure to hit the like button below this video if you would like to learn how to start promoting your chosen ClickBank product using the free Google site. Now, like I already mentioned, it's 100% free to build a website with Google Sites, and it's also easy for anyone who doesn't have the technical knowledge to build a website. You can use Google Sites, for example, to create an email capture landing page to capture the emails of your targeted audience and promote your ClickBank products to them through emails. Now, you can also promote your ClickBank offers by building a web page or a website using the free Google Sites and then linking from the website to the ClickBank product you are promoting. Here are some examples of ClickBank affiliates using Google Sites to promote ClickBank products and probably making money from it, judging from the fact that some of the sites are already ranking for their targeted keywords. So you can also do something similar to start promoting your ClickBank product using Google Sites. Let's now head over to the Google Site platform and log in. Now you will need a Google account to log in, and when you do, you will be welcomed with these pre-made templates that you can use for free. You can also choose to create your own template from scratch. So if you click on the blank page option here, you'll be taken to this page where you can start customizing it however you want. Here you can change the banner, the icon, and add different types of content like text content, images, and videos. You might also want to add a disclaimer page because that is required for affiliate marketing websites as well as an about me page. Now, since I don't want to make this video too long, I'll just link you again on a video on this channel that will show you step by step how to customize a page like this to this. Now, what I really want you to pay attention to, however, is the optimization of your website or pages. You see, optimizing your website is important because that is what will help your Google site to get ranked on the search engines. And as you know, ranking on the search engines will help get people to your newly created Google site. It's because these other affiliates optimized their Google site so well that made it easy for me to find them. So for example, these websites were optimized to target people interested in manifestation. But since the product we started off in this video is a weight loss product, I decided to create a website under that sub niche or category. So I can easily use this website to promote all the products under the ClickBank weight loss sub niche or category and even other products related to the weight loss niche. So how do you go about optimizing your pages or website for high search engine rankings? Well, what you always need to do first before creating content on your Google site is to do a research for a keyword that you want to target in your content. You want to look for keywords that will help you easily rank on search engines like Google and Bing. And to do that, you need a keyword research tool. Now, there are many keyword research tools out there, and one of the best free tools that have stood the test of time is the free Google keyword tool or the Ubersuggest keyword tool. In this case, we'll be using the Ubersuggest tool. I will drop the link below this video. Now, when you get to the tool, all you have to do is paste in the seed keyword that you want to target. My seed keyword in this case will be the custom keto diet. It's always good to start with the sub niche category or the product name. So when I make a search, the tool will now display other related keywords, their search volume, and their level of competition on Google search. Now, because this is the free version of the Ubersuggest keyword tool, I'm limited to the number of keywords, but with the free Google keyword tool, you will get a long list of keywords. Even with this free version of the Ubersuggest keyword tool, you can quickly see a keyword like the custom keto diet review that you can target to promote the custom keto diet on ClickBank on your Google site. So what you should be looking for when doing your keyword research is to look for keywords that have a high search volume and a low competition. Now, after deciding on a keyword that has a high search volume and a low competition, it's time to write an article based on that targeted keyword and paste it on your new Google site. Now, if the product you're trying to promote has promotional articles for affiliates to use, like the custom keto diet here for example, you can use the articles and rewrite them to make them a little bit unique. Now, if you don't have the time or the money to write good articles, you can use a site like iWriter that will cost you under $2 to write a unique article that you can post on your Google website. Now, after you've written your article, you also want to make sure to link from within the post to your sales page, and you can do that by linking through text or images. That way, when your viewers or your readers click on it, it will lead them directly to the sales page of the product you're trying to promote, and that's how you start making money easily with ClickBank using Google Sites. Now, while it's all free and easy to use Google Sites, it doesn't mean that you can easily get traffic to your newly created Google Sites without putting in some effort. And after doing all that, you need to have a little bit of patience for the results to start showing up. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.